Hi everybody, so I'll be talking about hernias. Okay, what is a hernia? I have three of them myself. A hernia is when it comes out of the wall. So it comes out here, so inside you it's like that. When you strain yourself it comes out like that. Yeah? I'll be using a tea bag to show you. So there's a tea bag here. So the hernia means sticking out here. Well then, I can't get it right. Yeah, right. See that? Just burst there, like that. That's a hernia. Yeah? Right. What's just happened? That's what happens when you lift something heavy. That's what I've done myself. Yeah. See that? So, yeah. So now, what I should do some surgery, is just cut your tummy open, get some mesh, then poke it back in, then you put some mesh on, like that, then you sew it up, bit like this here. So stop it poking back out again. And then just let it heal, but do not lift anything up heavy until I say so. When it's safe to do so again. Anyway, that's talking about that earlier, what happens. I'm just saying, that's only for a sample to this. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.